Ah, it's Bill Gates again. Oh man, you're killing me, Holmes. Gatesy, listen, I really appreciate your multi-million-dollar offer, and I know to you it seems silly that I turned down your generosity, but teaching history at a community college is truly my calling. Yours, Dave. Oh, hello there. I'm your history professor, Dr. Arnold. You can call me Dr. Arnold. So you're wondering, why do I have to take a history course if I have no intention of becoming an historian or a history teacher?
What about journalist, museum curator, writer, military officer, intelligence agent, information specialist, documentary filmmaker? Unfortunately, we don't have enough brave explorers going into these important fields of knowledge and discovery. But our country needs you. Our founding fathers believed that citizens of a republic like ours needed to understand history in order to participate fully in the democratic process. History is part of the liberal arts, meaning the things you need to know to be a free person. An educated Republican citizen versed in history can separate fact from fiction and realize when they're being manipulated by dangerous demagogues. Of course, none of that relates to us today. You want to know why you need to study history when all you really want is a high-paying job and a car like this. Everyone knows the liberal arts are the quickest path to the poorhouse. That's why you should never go to a liberal arts college like Harvard, Yale, or Princeton.
That's why former Florida Governor Jeb Bush, who has a Bachelor of Arts degree in Latin American Studies, said, "It's important to have liberal arts, but remember, you're going to be working at Chick-fil-A."
The quickest way to that McMansion on the hillside, it would seem, would be to major in something practical, like engineering, accounting, finance, or science. Recent studies show that liberal arts majors make more and more money throughout their careers. The liberal arts help you to ask questions, analyze, and make sense of the world. Now that we inhabit a world full of big data, it's more important than ever that we educate humans who can make sense of that data and, when necessary, call bullshit on it. In his book, Sense Making, Christian Medvedjeberg argues that
Try his name again.
Christian Medvedjeberg argues that Christian Medvedjeberg, in his book, Scott Hartley persuasively argues the importance of the liberal arts in our technocratic world, a view which I have long supported.
The liberal arts lets you take control. You can define the data rather than having it define you.
But for me, the most alluring thing is that today, liberal arts majors are the nonconformists.
Everyone who is practical is headed towards the practical majors. So if you want to follow the crowd, get in line and follow the procession of sheep into the safe fields where you'll know you'll get a job working in the cubicle for the man. Until your business gets downsized or you get outsourced.
But if you want to be a pioneer, if you want to be a standout, unique, then major in philosophy or art history.
I don't know that we need more art history majors, but we need more people courageous enough to be art history majors.
If you want to understand the human story and your place in it, If you want to write your own story and put yourself as the leading role, then major in the liberal arts, my friends.
And the truth is, you may end up at Chick-fil-A, but believe me, you're going to be the most interesting and popular worker there. Keep the change. So did I answer your question? Oh yeah, you have to take this course because it's a requirement. See you in class. Oh, I got to take this. It's Pete. Hi, Coach Carroll. How you doing? No, I can't go to London with you guys this weekend. You're going to have to go it alone. Brother, I'm teaching history on Monday, and I'm all in.